Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can use ChatGPT Image Generator for free. So without any further ado, let's get started, and it will be an step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you want to generate images here, you can right now do it because ChatGPT becomes so much smart till now. So here I want an image like give me an image of 1971 Bangladesh independent and war, and let's hit enter, and they will ChatGPT will generate an image for us, and they will provide us a couple of images. Okay, they provide us a couple of images here, so I want to generate an artificial image around this and hit enter, and here you can see that the image already been started to generate. So we just need to keep patience here to complete the generator. So let's be patient here. So here you can see ChatGPT already generated us an image, and it looks really amazing as you can see it, and it is in full resolution. So it is quite so much cool thing I ever found it, and you can see that we are on in a walled field right now, and the time period located in 1971 when Bangladesh become independent country from the Pakistan. So now you can easily generate images by using ChatGPT in this version. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.